Keep them moving forward. Lanes are clear.
Hydration levels stable across the board.
Sector 4 readings look optimal as well.
Scan complete on Brahman 42.
Vitals nominal. Uploading to the central database now.
Let's move him into chute 3. Easy now. Preparing the diagnostics. Stand by for the scan. Biometrics confirmed, scan complete, data logged successfully. The cardiac rhythm is perfectly stable.
Yes, and the thermal scan shows no signs of inflammation. We are clear for release.
The bulls are responding well to the cycle.
Yes, the automated system is performing flawlessly.
All clear on pen 3. Coats are spotless and conditions are optimal. Ready for transfer. Right here, this texture inconsistency.
Understood. Defect logged for batch 12.
We need to adjust the parameters for the next batch. The current speed is slightly too high.
I agree. Let's reduce it by 5% and monitor the sensors closely.
Data check complete. All parameters green.
Ready for final sign-off, Director.
Very good. Proceed with the approval stamp.